Hello, IG. How you doing? It's been a while, huh? Remember me did send me that go walk back that page here, though. So I walk back that page here. Yeah, man, we in the season of portaling, you know. So we just a portaling right now, and I say, how things. Hi to everyone clocking in. Long time, man. But you know, so me never turn me back from the ones I love, though. It's good to be back on IG. So everyone that has been seeing me and been saying, Queen, why you not on IG? We're not seeing you on IG. I'm back on IG. Right? So tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Now we're doing great things in the name of the Most High, His Imperial Majesty, Emperor Haile Selassie I First, King of Kings and Lord of Lords, conquering lion, you know, the tribe of Judah, you know. So the item. I'm seeing all the frag. Big up yourself, Brazil in the building. Yeah, man. To everyone that's saying greetings, big up the item self. Yeah? I missed you guys too, man. Love you guys too. Oh, it's 12 o'clock in the UK, Birmingham. Go to your bed, Birmingham. Pick up yourself, Senegal, America, DC, Trinidad, Canada, YGB, Annery, thank you to YGB for my great honors the other day. Yeah, man. I missed the item to Trinidad. I who say Queen Ifrica and I love Trinidad. That's what them here say. Big up Trinidad to the whole world. You hear that? Italy. Ghana. I missed you guys, man. Dallas, Texas. Clacking, Jamaica to the whole world. You hear that? Yeah, man. Birmingham again. St. Thomas, there. Trinidad. I long to come to Trinidad, you know. I haven't come to Trinidad in a while. Queen Omega, I see her all off a reggae banner over there. See, you have a lot of sisterins around here as well. Yeah, man, give thanks to clean music, man, and good choice. Costa Rica, big up yourself, Costa Rica. Sudan, yes, Sudan, get it together, Sudan. Let's not fight amongst ourselves. Nashville, Tennessee, Kenya in the building. Oh, it's so good. It's so good to see the item checking in. You know, the Jamaican flag, them present. Yeah, man, thank the item for the love, man. You know, mean a lot, cause the item see where I go on, you know. Knows Barbados, reggae on the hill. I saw it. I'm looking forward to coming over. Miss Mia Motley, Rihanna, The Queen want to touch reggae on the hill stage. You hear that? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, me and Queen Omega can do a song when she ready, man. Ontario, Canada, Canada. You know, we soon come look for you, Canada. No matter what them fight me in Canada, you know me I come. Yeah, man, because me have my nice, clean Canadian visa for me. No do me Canadian visa Canada. I lie, them I tell them just no want the Queen touching a Canada, you see me? Yeah, man, Queen Ifrica and Queen Omega a good combination. A long time, I tell her I don't know where she wait for. Trinidad and Jamaica good, you know. Yeah, man, Trinidad and Jamaica good, man. New York in the building. Yeah, man. Some Guyana flag, I see some whole heap of Ghana flag, I see Jamaica, America flag, I see Sierra Leone in the building. Yeah, man. Manners and love. It's good to be over here, you know. And I just open up this portal so that we have the opportunity to speak to I fans who I know love Queen Ifrica so much, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. Montserrat. It's been a while since I came to Montserrat. Hope everything is good with the item over there in Montserrat, you know. Fort Lauderdale, USA, Lodi. Yeah, man. Gambia, you know, the building, yeah. Yeah, yes, yes, yes. We see the clock in them, man. The whole wide world, Brooklyn, New York, whole wide world. You see me? Yeah, man, Jamaica important. Love you, Barbados. Will never stop. Yeah, man. A little piece of rock here, you know. For all of we, you know. You know what? Nigeria. What's up, New Jersey? Yeah. Yeah, man. New Orleans. Yes. Yeah, man. Whole world, man. Jamaica, you know. Place to bring the love and the joy to everyone out, you know. Yeah, man. We are stand up for Jamaica, man. If you love Jamaica, let me see you put your Jamaican flags up beside your flags, man. We're standing up for Jamaica, man. Chicago. Big up yourself, Chicago. North Carolina. Ganja headquarters. Yeah. Guyana. Yeah, man. Rebel Salute was awesome this year, you know. Yeah, man. So the thing set, man. One rock, you know. One voice, you know. One people. We are all one people, one Caribbean, one Jamaica, one Africa. Original love that we used to have, you know, like the camaraderie that we used to share. As artists, we used to look forward to going into the other Caribbean islands and the other Caribbean islands coming over here, and we tour in America and we tour in Europe. We just want the artists them just unite, no man, just unite for fans them that love me so much. I appreciate you guys so much that love Queen Ifrica all on my Lego music and just take up advocacy. And never put down the thing. Yeah, man, Trinidad loud for the thing, man. Seeing they them never say, yo, Queen boring. You know, they them never stand up with me. And I just want to say, that's why I'm never Lego. That's why I'm never Lego, man. Because I know some country special in many ways, man, and you know, we can come together and fix things amongst ourselves as a people so that the world can happy again. You know, because I can't happy if Jamaica not happy, dog. I don't know about the item. You see what I say? I can't happy if Jamaica not happy. You see me? I can't drive around in a pretty vehicle and behave like, you know, no, nothing that they have to worry about. Something that they have to worry about, man. You know, we little girl, them, we little boy, them, they have to worry about, man. So, I just want to say, I sacrifice that me personally I make, you see me? Yeah. So, Oh, there, man, and all is good, you know. It's all love in the house, you know. Yeah, I know the goddess of love. Love will come out and a war and blood. Peace and love and unity, you know. Real, genuine energies. Yeah, man. And you know, I just want to bring up a beautiful young princess named Brit. You know yourself, Brit. Love you, babes. Thank you so much. Sharon Burke, you know, so you're column, you know, I could do it for the woman, them here. Judy Bradley. We have work to do for children, them, you see me? Yeah, man, daddy don't touch me there, man. Daddy nasty if you do that, man. Mommy nasty if she do that too, you see me? Yeah, man. New music coming, man. New music, new album. You see, we open up the portal, them. So we are show the items, so we're ready, you see me? Yeah, man, give thanks to the ones them we jump on, man, and come see there, you know? Because just want to show the items, so I know you're alive. And giving thanks unto the Almighty Creator for everything, you know? We're calling out the predators, them now, telling them to leave us alone now, you know? Tough Lion Strength, I will check out the eye. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, I have some beautiful new music come. Even last night I was in the studio recording some of those tracks for that album coming up, you know. Some of those want them to know, so we never let go music, man, cause I hit heal we, you know. Yeah, man, the music heal we, man. So, we do give thanks. Yeah, them can go check out some of them posts that I put on the page from over the years and see when me then know and when me did really come from before me start add some new things, because I might clear up all of the things them on the page here too. So the them can run through it and go look back and see some things that me and say come down in line. You see what I say? Yeah, man, because that's how you go when you go all in, you know. Yeah, man, I have to go all in. Keep it pure enough heart first, you know. Because I did say clean hands and pure heart, you know what I mean? Yeah. So we never to shift from that. We just make sure so we keep it right there, so. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, thanks for welcoming me, man. And I missed you guys too, man. Yeah, man. I missed you guys too. But that's why I'm just walking up over one TikTok over there, so I'm just saying. Go and chat to me Jamaican them over there, so you see what I'm saying? I'm bag up with them scarlet can of fish. Put a can of fish up over there, but can't work. That's something I can deal with, you know. Yeah, man, speak truth to power is right, man. Yeah, man, I miss IG too, man. So IG, I'm going to stay too long. I them know say that portal you open up again. You see me? And I really hide them, they're behind nothing. I angle it, you see me? So they I'm going to see the new music them and just the new projects, you know, and the new stuff them where I and I got to do and where I and I got to advocate, you know. Yeah. I cannot fish or I cannot worm. I cannot worm. I cannot worm to write it. Yeah, man, I cannot worm, man. You know, so me over Twitter there, but me not too active. I get active over there still. Because you know, Twitter is one whole different world and through this whole social media thing, if you're not careful, you know, nothing else to do all day more than sit down and watch it. But yeah, man, I go active up the Twitter page, man, because, you know, a lot of conversations take place around my name over there too and False Narrative. Tanzania, welcome. Seeing, so, yeah, Bahamas, you know, I'm on my way, Bahamas. See you in a few days, Bahamas. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So, yeah. We just keep it moving and just go and do the thing, yeah, man, because the rock is special to my heart, you know. Very special to my heart, so. Yeah, man, and them me there, so. I there, so me there. Yeah, one Aishi Tommy. Kenya, Kenya. Soon come Africa, come tour, man. Brooklyn, New York, large up yourself. Soon come do some show up there too, you see me? Yeah, man, we just do the right thing as we go along. Yeah, man. Don't worry, tough lion. I'll come to your country one day. Senegal, Africa unite. Jamrock 23 look good, yes. Junior. Yeah, man. Soon come a Belgium family. Organizer, large up yourself, you. Soon drop in a Belgium again, man. Soon come a Europe, Panama. Big up yourself, Panama. See? Yes, I. Wonderful, you know? Yeah, man. Lioness on the rise. Martinique. That's such a beautiful place, man. You guys should visit Martinique. Hey, Canada again. Big up yourself. Yeah, man. Manners and love, you know. Loving at the house of Rastafari. Give everything you got to Jaja. Never bow down to the Eden. We could have never do it, never. Baltimore, Jah never get up from side eye. So I figure give I soul to them. I always I go praise the Most High, yes. Go and tell it to the Eden. Shake them, shake them. Shake them at them core. Shake them, shake them. Shake them at them core. The sun shine every day, the moon never go down. Babylon, your system will have to go down. Leave the children alone and make them stand up. You love Rastafari, put your hand up. I will never, never walk in the valley of the shadow of death. Never yet, never yet. Praise the Most High Jah. Yes. With my blood and with my sweat. Yes, I. We hail my man. Times like these. They took away the voices that gave the people pride. Now we're plunging into darkness. We all have to play our part, make a bold start. Every disc jack tell every artist. Media houses, we notice your love support the slackness. How so much alcohol in our parties. Girls are broke out at this upper where she drink, knock her out. Now she no care where then cock her up. Times like these, missing our heroes. Yeah, yeah. Times like these, I really wish they were around. Shouldn't have to be like this. Make we use the fist, hold the bell. Be it promise till it's swell. Nobody not gonna hear if you no yell. Only somewhere them tell you about the bucket where go well. Black woman put on your baggy, that's something they don't fi sell. And so we get for no sense society cruel. Ask them who put the crab in a barrel. PM opposition who no done with the quarrel. PM opposition who no done with the quarrel. Unite the people, times like these. Yeah, man, righteousness exalt a nation, man. Them can't stop goodness, man. And I say when the roll is called up, you know, we're standing right now, tall up, tall up. Yeah, man. It's called Times Like These. You can go look it up. It's a very wonderful song. I did it years ago because I saw what was coming from our country, you know. So, and I was just looking ahead and seeing, say, they are come when we have to go really stand up, you know. Comes what may. So I just that we do. Mwah. Love you guys.